Good morning everyone. My name is Amit and I am from BSc-IT first year. I am here to discuss about resistor. So let's start without any further delay. Resistor. It is a device that opposes the flow of current. It is used to protect the circuit and also to control the current flow. As you can see in this image, there is a lot of current coming in the wire. As soon as the resistor was installed here, the current flow reduced. Now let's see its type. There are two types of resistor. First, fixed resistor. A resistor having a fixed defined electrical resistance which is not adjustable. That means we cannot change the value as per our wish. There are four types of fixed resistor. First, carbon composition resistor. It is used in heat dissipation circuit. Second, wire wound resistor. It is used in audio and video equipment etc. Third, thin film resistor. Thin film resistor is used in PC motherboard, robots motherboard etc. Fourth, thick film resistor. Thick film resistor is used in smartphone, laptop, CCTV motherboard etc. Second type, variable resistor. A variable resistor whose resistance value can be adjustable. That means we can change the value as per our wish. There are three types of variable resistor. First, potentiometer. Potentiometer is used in a music system volume controller, light brightness controller. Second, rheostat. Rheostat is used in radio volume controller, electric motor speed controller etc. And third, thermistor. Thermistor is used to measure the temperature of oil cabinet in the vehicle. Thank you.